Hello everyone! Welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try making a soft and moist cake. Let's see how to make this ghee cake. It's very easy to make with very few ingredients, really delicious to have. Before moving on to the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot. Click the bell icon to get all new updates and notifications from our channel. Now into a large bowl, add in some ghee. This is room temperature ghee. Into that, add some powdered sugar. Using a whisk, blend this really well till it slightly changes its color to a pale yellow. Once it turns light and fluffy, add in 3 whole eggs and blend that again. Once everything is nicely mixed in, let's start adding the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda. Sift that and add it into the wet mixture. Take a spatula and mix it really well. Now add some milk to loosen the mixture. Now our cake batter is ready. Take a greased cake tin lined with parchment paper. Add the cake batter, just level it. Tap it to get rid of all the air bubbles and bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, then our cake is ready. Allow it to cool down completely, demold it and cut it into any desired shapes. Look at the texture, how soft and moist this cake is. It's very tasty and delicious to have. So do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting videos from our channel. Thank you.